Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for the week of 11th to 18th of April. Please keep in mind these are general readings, might not resonate with each one of you. And also time is fluid. So, some of the things might be happening, some of the things might have happened. So these are predictions. These are predictions, of the past, the future, the present. So just take as it resonates with you all. Also, just like to inform you about the new moon, which is on the 11th or 12th, depending on where you are located. And new moon is all about, I think this new moon is all about bringing to the surface, which, I said bringing to the surface means finally opening new doors, bringing to the surface the kind of hard work you've put in. So, getting the fruits of your hard work. Let us see what the week holds for you. Yeah. So, Aries, yes, you have been putting a lot of hard work. Fool. Things are fast coming, fast incoming for you. There's Sun card is, beginnings, hope, things coming to light. Like I said, this is a new one is all about that. And Page of Cup is offering. You're getting something. Let me also clarify these 10 of Wands for you. Please clarify 10 of Wands. Okay, so I think you've been okay. So 10 of Wands here shows that you were really, or the other person. I mean, take it as it resonates. Yeah, there was some confusion, some argument, and you thought you're putting in more hard work than the other person, and they were not showing. Somebody was withholding or withholding. Sorry, withheld the emotions. They were not being very expressive about the emotions, and I feel this is the week where they would offer you love, and they really want commitment, they really want abundance, they really want everything with you, is what I'm getting. Let me clarify this with my major arcana cards. The Hierophant, yes. So probably you were very intuitive about this. You knew this was coming. I think you put in the hard work, but you were waiting. You were very positive about it, and that's why probably the energies turned out to be the way they would be, or they are for some of you. Turn on the love. Turn on your love light. Time for a love fest. Yes, it is. Keep it simple. So I think love is entering your life. It could be the new love. It could be somebody you've really worked hard, or probably you have been working hard elsewhere, and you've not focused on love. Now is the time that you should turn on the focus on love, because commitment and love offering is coming for you. Let me take one more message from the universe cards. I choose love no matter what. So, yes, love I think is coming towards you. This is the time where commitment, fulfillment, expression of emotions, nothing will be hidden from you. I think your hard work is paying off, your patience is paying off, your positivity is somewhere paying off, is what I'm getting. Satisfied. So yes, you will be satisfied. Something which will, I think, a news which comes this week will bring you into this state of satisfaction where you're really content. It's like finally this happened, and finally I was waiting for it, because some of you guys were really waiting for this news to come towards you, and I'm really happy. And we'll meet next week. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and we'll meet next week.